Come, you're gonna drink or what, miss? Or you're gonna tell your mother?
What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally, all up on your screen with another video. Woo! Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see, I have here with me Miss KarmaTube.
Hi, angels!
Give it up for my friend, guys. She is here today to celebrate with us in this amazing video that we're about to do.
EarthAngel present and a
very present. Day one first video. Go back to the comment section and see if you can find her. I'm sure you will. But yeah, as you can see in the title, we are about to do a truth or drink challenge. I'm super excited and nervous at the same time.
Okay, that's what I thought.
But okay, please tell the angels where they can find the link to your channel, Miss Karma.
The link to my channel will be in the description box below, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and we are also gonna do a video that I'm gonna have on my channel.
Yes,
so look out for that.
So if you want to get more of this chemistry, of this vibration, of this essence, go over to Miss KarmaTube and get your life. Okay, so we're about to jump into the video. What's the first question? Oh, we have our unidentified
alcoholic
spirit
beverage,
juice,
right?
Spirit juice with us here today, and yes, me, yeah,
unidentified because no free promo here.
It will remain mysterious. So let's get into it.
All right, guys. So the first question is, when was the last time you lied?
This morning.
Fair enough.
Never say why?
No.
Good.
Semantics, guys. I love semantics. Question said, when was the last time, not what the lie was about.
Exactly.
Don't overshare, guys.
Open your ears and listen.
The last time I lied was 2 weeks ago, or approximately 2 weeks ago. And I know the lie. I can't remember that, you know, specifically because I'm still on planet. So yeah.
Me in a particular situation was sometime I feel, you know, them look a white lie there for this, because you know what about the business.
Yeah. Alright, so question number 2. Name 2 fetishes that you have. Damn. The soldier has fallen.
I don't even question it. Like, I don't even question it. Oh, alright, pause, reboot. This should have been said from the video started, but I know already say angel, so over here I don't lie to you guys. Never have, never will. So we already started this video. No, God, there's something I have to talk to. We had already started this video and went through 3 of these questions. I already decided I was not going to answer this question, so me already took a shot. So this will be my second shot for this question, but you know, something went wrong with the production and we had to look how me attack question and I'm like a real joke, man. Put it out of the camera. So yeah, so you know, this is take 2 of this, and I'm just mentioning it because me can't go through this and then me couldn't know say this is my second one. In a fair, like my half a talk to
see she all sweat.
Already, listen, like
the heat.
But me I do it for the video. I'm not gonna scapegoat, I'm not gonna pretend like I'm done put my shot already. No, ready it again.
Take that shot again. Choke. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys my fetishes.
I'm not drive tonight. You got talk? Oh God. Marijuana, I'm all over on YouTube. What's a marijuana?
what that is? Educate me.
Marie so good to me.
Oh! Oh!
Marie wham.
I'm slowing. Anyway.
Come like a you take tuition for one question.
Yes, I can't take the heat.
Come here, my next question. You sure
Wait,
you
I'm
want
going
to
to edit
turn
out
on?
this because my eyelash come
But
out.
not edit out, not say my angels them know so them get the darkness, the beauty, and the ugly of air. Yes.
No, it's after edit out. I'm not Christ. You see, I'm not so open the camera while I after edit that out.
No, you can't get rid of all this good content.
Okay.
So, alright, so I didn't answer. Two
Yeah.
fetishes that I have. The
No,
first
no.
fetish is
What's that one?
the first fetish is I want a white slave, a white man to be my slave. Okay, so
No, wait. Explain
this is
that.
a no judgment zone, right? 'Cause
No, of course it is. Of course it is.
yes, so I
Of
want
course
a
it
white
is.
man as a slave. You know, reparations.
Listen, it's only fair.
You know.
It's only fair. Black Lives Matter.
Period. Pooh.
Alright.
Okay, so the second fetish that I have is wow, I can't remember. You remember what it was?
Voice.
Oh yes! I have a thing for voices. Really, really nice voices, like
Y'all
the
should know your
raspy
friends.
voices. Yes, yes. I appreciate you, friend. Come egg going on, and she needs to be here to bring it back around. Yeah, so I really like sexy voices. Like you just hear somebody's voice and it just sounds like sex. You know, like Dexter Daps and them man they, yeah, girl, them something them talk about.
Jada probably have that too.
Stock actually.
Mm-hmm.
She have this something to her voice for just woo! Anyway,
Yeah.
moving on. So question number 3, have you ever cheated on someone?
You know what? The first time I remember that we did this video, I think I did answer the question.
Yeah, what me remember.
But
what
now
you
I
say.
think about it, man, I think more have to put that out there. So I'm pulling
Yeah,
my
drink
vote,
though, friend.
and
Friend,
I'm
I
gonna
drink.
take a shot for this one.
Friend, I drink though.
So I'm kind of glad I guess I do, but sometimes in life people think I'm for a reason. Sometimes in life, because I would have probably figured out while editing the video that, you know, someone really want to put that out there, I'm going to have edit out. I would have noticed, say, no, mama, part of that video, I chop. Come on, I chop this and you say, I shall complain, but you want to put edit out, man, nah, take it out. So,
I
we.
guess YouTube is just gonna have to know I'm an idiot.
Never can you for your eyelash.
Yeah, because
Look
it
at
come
me.
down, it turned back way in my eyes and we have fix it. That's what I'm saying.
People love when we're relatable. You get what I'm saying? And they
Oh
and
my
they,
God, what
and they
I
come
don't know.
over to alright, I'm gonna show you a perfect example. Perfect example. Alright, Sean Paul, right? Or any dancehall, hip hop, any star you can think about. Do you follow their page to know what their life is like? No, you follow their page to find out what song them drop, where them a perform, and who them a par with. In the music industry, you know who you have to follow to know what them eat for breakfast, where them go on vacation, what them mother look like, what them sister look like, what them pin them look like, them woman page. So me no busy what Sean Paul want post on a Jody Enriquez page me dey pan come want see what go on. Me no care I don't want post a Kimberly page me go pan come me want see what she a post and what she a post and assassin wife and all of these things because them give you real insights. So yes, when you want to see the uncut, unfiltered version of Miss Karma, the version that make you say, yeah girl, I saw me start when me look at my sister, my eyelash just set properly. I say, no man, this have a fix. You know, so you come up with EarthAngel naturally. That say
She just a try, you know.
convince you to see.
She don't want to take her shot.
No, but if it
So she then here. I thought the things them. Yes, that. You cannot trick me.
alright, nothing.
Lord God.
No, but I don't want to answer that for you.
Alright then, alright, no problem. But, you know, my first relationship I was cheated on and it did hard to get over and you know.
I did if you were
cheated.
cheated or if you ever cheat.
No, if you were cheat, I tell the story of why I
Oh.
cheat.
There we go.
Anyway, yes, that's what happened. I got cheated on, and you know when somebody cheat on you and then I go on like, so we are babe so far. What are you doing?
What the fuck?
feel like we do want spray.
Anybody want a friend to buy?
No, cause you know, Trisha talk about the cheating. And it's like, something I just get rid of the germs, you see me? And just Febreze them out. Take it what I say.
So many germs.
No, not you. The man will cheat.
Oh.
I'll make you cheat.
Okay.
So Trisha talk about the story.
No,
but I just feel like it's a bringing him cheating energy in other place. So we have to spray it out, you see me? We don't want it around here.
Anyway, moving on.
Next
So,
question.
What's something you're glad your mom doesn't know?
Never joke by the end of the video. Best of all, from no angels. I am not responsible
I'm gonna answer that one.
for the actions of the. Oh, her first shot! Her first shot! Shot!
Ready?
Shot! Yay! Alright, next question.
Wait, you never answer. Jesus Christ, that's
Yo, I'm sure me get well again.
Oh God, this is.
It's trying to push up. Let me take 3. So, no, I'm feeling next time. Stay away from the one here.
No, what they will answer about yes, truth or drink, and they cannot take 4
No,
shots.
I feel like next time we should. Mama take it out of screen so that it not show. I just feel like next time we should not go for one that is 63% alcohol.
Chang, not even strong, guys. Chang. Jesus, no, I'm trying.
If you don't know which one of them are 63, then you don't know how about it have to be a real drink of know we are drink right now. You get me?
Can't manage. Come, you gonna drink or what, miss? Or you gonna tell your mother? Oh, happy.
What the question say?
birthday.
What the question say?
What's something you're glad your mom doesn't know? Oh God, look how me look homeless. Funny. Wow.
I'm making that. I saw the video. I was Boy, let me intro up.
I'm very sorry, Angel. And my eyelash them too. Like,
No.
I'm not a hot girl, that's why I look homeless.
Man, hurt me. Alright, next question.
Alright, yeah, enough for drink for that. You can just
You see what my answer?
editing when you drink another one here. You know when I have to drink no more, just editing when you take the shot.
No, that's a cheating. Me, I take my shot. You just man lie to me.
No, but you don't take it right there, so.
No, but I answer the question. You should compromise.
Oh, you gotta answer the question. So that's what say.
You should compromise me. Alright. What question is it again?
What's something you're glad your mom doesn't know?
Okay. I'm glad my mom doesn't know what my fetishes are. And my fantasies. And
Listen now, you're smart enough. You're a smart woman.
yeah, that's what I'm glad about. Everything else, I'm glad she's a part of. I love you, mama.
I remember.
But it's only fair because I don't know hers and I'd like to keep it that way.
Most definitely.
Putting that out there.
Most definitely. Big up Auntie Danny's.
Yeah, Diane.
Diane.
Ah, Denise is close enough. She look
Big
like
up.
she look like a Denise.
Big up Auntie Diane.
Big time.
Alright, question number 5, guys. What's your biggest fantasy?
No. This is question number 2 reloaded. Not fair.
No, fantasy and fetish are 2 different things. Hello?
Alright. You know what? I'm not answer this shit. I'm
No,
not.
must stress out.
I'm sure that eventually
The
one day
fifth
you
shot,
guys will
guys.
know what this is. You know,
The
as much
fourth
as I
shot.
know, man.
The 4th.
As much as I don't even think is where I don't do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I don't even think you guys are ever gonna know what this is ever in life. But if you do, it's not something that I care that you know. Sure. I'm gonna take a shot.
Excuse me, guys. Some for answer now, Jesus. That kill you, man. No, it's so hilarious. hilarious.
Alright, answer this then.
Cheers. Okay, guys, my biggest fantasy is I want to more have sex on the wing of my airplane. Like strap us down on the wing of the airplane while it's in the sky. I want to have sex. Yeah. I know that.
That's on a whole lot of dangerous.
Must maintain this on the things them. Yeah.
Wow. So the plane not go in the air, right? The plane not gonna fly, the plane not gonna pilot and everything.
Yeah, that's why I say strap me down.
So it's a jet, like private, so the pilots are not gonna go there, or you want a commercial flight where there's passengers involved?
No, I don't want nobody see me.
Alright.
I don't really like that something there. When people are watch.
Very true.
We have passed the half mark.
Woo! Woo!
We're still... What? After I just like I say, we're not tipsy or nothing.
Wait, just say.
You tipsy? Well, yeah, it take about 5. That's why you must tell the truth.